Oh my God, they've got a hole in.
Yeah, they've got a bit of a hole in it.
Thanks.
So,
Oh, 2 holes.
another day of living the dream. Hang on a minute, I'm going to get those all. Another day of living the dream in Narky world.
I wouldn't mind, but the wader now is filling up with water.
Oh, it was only a little bit.
Up to my knee.
Stop whining.
There we go. The joys of a fishery.
The lake is looking lovely though.
But people think this is a
But we
Tesco
have
trolley.
catfish, so we need to get rid of the catfish. So we're putting what looks like a shopping trolley in. It isn't. Sid and Ivy are helping today. Mark spotted lots of fish earlier. So the lodge is now being cleaned, ready for our next guests. Happy?
We need something underneath there to hold it so it's like that.
Right, okay, I will sign off and I will go and help him.